Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your video volume on TikTok's new editing studio. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video is helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. So TikTok have recently launched the new editing studio within the app, and now there is a new way of adjusting your video volume. So let me show you how to do this. So the same process follows where you upload or record a TikTok video. Then once you're on this page, tap on Adjust Clip at the top right. This should take you into the new editing studio. You should see a timeline below and some buttons below that. Below the timeline, tap on Edit. Next, tap on Volume. Here you can adjust the volume of your video clips. By default, it is set to 100%. To decrease the volume, move it to the left hand side, and to increase the volume, move it to the right hand side. If you have multiple clips and you want the volume to be different, then make sure to select the clip on the timeline and then adjust the volume individually. If you want all the video clips volume to be the same, then just tap on Apply to All after setting the volume. Press Save at the bottom right once complete, and then Save again at the top right. And that is how to adjust your video volume on TikTok's new editing studio. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.